guys smelled very good. Yeah, that's one thing you guys need to know. As men, your cologne need to speak to me before you even say hi.
They say the longer they hug, how do you feel ngale nto le ukuthi amantombazana de manga befuna something, they are always asked for something in return. What ukuthi bayisole leyo nto makufuna i-acting role kumele ulale ne-director, kumele ulale ne-producer, ufuna ukuba kwi-podcast, kumele ulale ne-podcaster, ufuna ukushuza.
Siyaphi manje politics?
Kade kuvala imigwaqo ngale nto le kamalema le.
Oh.
Are you a politic person?
Nope.
What is your take?
What is my take? Hey guys, yabona ke manje. Okay. But
Hey yo, what's good, what's happening? Welcome to the Creative Chronicles. This is episode 7. Yes, sir?
When creativity meets conversation, bafethu nangazi ama-melo doesn't need introduction. Ngiqwenge introduce njalo ningibuka njalo. Episode 7 bafethu. Bafethu. So into zakho njalo.
Today's guest kuyanyiwa bafethu ziyakhala siphethe uzinhle namhlanje in the building, the beautiful model. How are you, baby girl? Jealous.
Lo mtshidalo njalo basinamathekeni umkondo wakhe ngathi baby girl. Okay.
But thank you. Hey guys, my name is Zinhle in Wonderland and I am an upcoming model. I live for the creative lives, everything about creativity, which is why I'm excited to be here in Creative Chronicles.
How long have you been in upcoming model? For 7 years?
No. I'm not upcoming for 7 years.
No, like I've known you for 3 years. Is it up to you can't tell me that?
But you know me as an actress.
Yeah,
compared to
as a model.
model.
Oh, you do acting as well?
You coming closer.
Bangisayinela rabathi sondele eduze.
Why beningamsadeli? Kama intro samachita. Andikaze nithi come close. So kunethekeni sokuthiwa come close bafethu. Ngifuna ukusponsor kodwa la ekhaya.
Yazi ama-model ngiyawudinga mfethu mina I do ama-music videos. So
Really?
yeah.
I've been wanting to be part of a music video, be a model, be a beauty.
You do or you in music videos?
It's an opportunity. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
You in or you do?
I create.
We shoot.
Videos. Yes, sir.
You shoot?
You
You
should.
shoot or you act on music video or you sing on the music video? What do you do?
No, you're steering. I'm the steering. I mean,
There's a steering. I want to be a steering. I wanna catch
it's
a
my
television.
videos. I sing.
You sing?
Yeah.
Oh, you're an
I
artist.
rap. Yes. Sir.
Can you sing for me?
Oh wow.
Boom boom boom. Kolgaje man. Kolgaje. Ungavile. Kolgajalo man. Sing for him. Ade mina ngifuna uzinhle.
Zinhle is in the building.
Ngitshulele first. Ngithelile uthekele sing for him.
Okay. Nyenzele wena sithandwa sami, I can go crazy. I can sacrifice everything, all cheese. In the meantime, baby, let me pay your bill. Take you out Sambe Sodla, I'ma chicken in.
You're so good.
Oh, Sandra, go crazy. Take you in.
Pay my bills. I had to pay my bills.
Wait, I didn't get that part. Did you say take you out or take you in? What did you say? You take your in or out?
No, it's better be out, not in. Yeah.
My God, you make the team lose always.
You made the team lose all the time.
Yeah, me, I don't take them out. I take them in.
You take them in?
Yes.
No, take them out. But show more. Inside was overvalidated, so they have to be exposed.
What kind of a man are you?
What kind of a man are you? When they're the opposite.
Inside.
When I see when they're in the
They will be cold outside.
It'll be cold outside.
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
It's warm inside.
It's home. I forgot to approach
You know the feeling.
But it's
You
fine.
know the feeling there?
Wow. I don't think I deserve to hear that. But anyway.
No, there's a heater.
There's a heater.
Yeah, there's a heater.
But anyway, it's cuffing
Yeah.
season. What am I going to say?
Okay, so
Yes,
the
summer
model.
needs to yeah.
Oh,
Upcoming
yes,
artists.
it's summer. See, we winter. I'm stressed.
Siyakuyewin. Which means going forward to me, ne?
So go winter.
Yes.
So are you a winter stock?
No, you can tell I'm not a winter stock. I'm not a
So
stock
yeah,
anyway.
which one do you think you can tata for winter?
I need a teddy bear.
Ujabula kanjani? Yo. My guy, you are gone. You are gone, guys. Ora bafese sayike kusekwamnandi endlini kuba nentombazane yabona ukuthi ugcine nje ukuthi uqonda kushangale. So Zinhle, the model, actress, let's say just say creative whatsoever, influencer, how long have you been in this messed up industry?
I can say it's 3 years, because I've been taking like on and off. You know, social media, I think it's not for the weakest person. Like this industry, it's so dark. You need to be strong mentally, physically, and everything. So I took a loss back in the years, you know, because I was not mentally strong. I think my mistakes that I've did in the industry, I just wanted to be famous. I didn't know what that will take from me and everything. I'm not saying I'm famous, but people do know me.
You almost became famous.
Yeah, I know I'm gonna be famous.
Oh,
I'm
so
within. I'm in and out.
You
know.
feel like you wasn't prepared enough.
Yeah, I was just going there with the mentality of wanting to be famous, not knowing
what it takes. It takes a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, I get you. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what's been the highlight of your career so far?
The highlights of my career. What is it? Let me see. Oh, okay. I would say it's being an actress, as an extra and everything. Like that was a highlight for me, because my brother's keeper, I can highlight them because they showed me very well. I enjoyed working with that production. Yes, and I'll shout out to my girl Umbali, because she's the one who introduced me to the industry, and I met you guys.
Oh yeah.
I'm very happy.
Wow.
We're grateful.
Yazi ukuthi inkabi yami uStalon ushilo ukuthi bayokubonga solele ngobandla. She's shouting only out to Umbali, who gave her a brief ukamkhathini, who booked her for my brother's keeper and repeatedly booked her.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Yazi mfana, I'm that one guy osefake abantu endaweni ebhaya.
She's under your agents.
No, but I feel like if I didn't know Umbali, I was not gonna know Umkhathini.
Oh, you wasn't gonna know him.
Yeah, if
So
I didn't know
out
Umbali,
for everyone.
It's a shout out for everyone.
Shout out for Umbali.
I'm here now because of
you.
Connection with you.
Cheers. Sorry, don't
Cheers
be
to
Why you hate?
Give me a hug.
Where do you stay?
Give me a hug.
I stay here in Johannesburg.
In Johannesburg. Here in Telfontein?
No, in Protea Clan.
Protea?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So
Yadlala guys, yadlala. Okay,
I say Soweto, but I'm originally from KZN.
From KZN?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so the model KZN, Soweto, Protea, Pretoria, Cape Town, KZN, Tonton, yabo. Right, asingabaleka kakhulu, so besakhuluma so far ngizokhuluma being an extra. Mhlawumbe akakabi privileged enough ukuthi uthole leyo role, mhlawumbe character nyana uthole nama lines nawo ex ngiya-exa ke manje.
Okay, I do catch attention wherever I go, Kuma Productions. The problem is with me. Where is the camera? Let me say, the problem is with me. As I'm saying, I'm the problem.
You're the problem?
Yeah,
why?
I am the problem, because I feel like I was not, what is the right word to say? I was not believing in myself that I can do it. That was the problem. I suffer from a loss of esteem, but I can get it. Like this year, my goals are aligned.
But now you're better now.
Yeah, I'm very
so now,
much better.
where did you get this spirit for you to have that thing? You know what? Now I can do it.
From my surrounding, let me say my crew, the crowd I keep, they are very supportive. They believe in me more than I believed in myself. So I had to do it for them. And then I had to do it for me also, because I can't.
Make yourself proud.
Yeah, and I'm very proud about myself. So baby steps in every way. I'm gonna get a role. You're gonna see me everywhere.
Shout out to you, man. Looking forward to that.
Yeah.
I think when you've seen here, we status sami. That's a ring also. Now enjoying the character ungakhuluma ngayo.
Which one?
The one you played in the high.
In the high.
Yeah. So it's
Oh, Lehigh. Oh. Thank you for that anyway. Thank you. But I need to see you
Lehigh.
guys, you know what happened. I think you guys were just I don't know where you ended. What happened there? Because being focused, I was coming with and I was looking forward to every day.
you never got a trade.
Did I? I don't think so.
Because now we trade you have it.
Seriously, I don't know about that. I don't know. Maybe shit happened in life and I was
Okay, I will
like,
send you the trade.
What is Lehigh? What is it? Is it a
so
movie?
he called me. No, they were shooting like a series, right? It was a series. It was supposed to be a series. So he called me like, I have a role. Can you come? I left Pretoria. I came back. I wanted to be there. Yeah, I enjoyed though, but I didn't get like the outcomes of everything. What happened? How did we end up? Did we get the gig? Or
The challenge.
yeah.
Yo, the
I
challenge.
think the problem was the
Challenges.
production in that
Bekuliwa mfana.
every day.
Every day bekuliwa. Yes man. Bekuliwa mfana like yeah, you understand ukuthi
Wonke umuntu abefuna ukuba umphathi.
yeah.
So it was
Obani
never
bebalo
gonna
manje
work out.
like the whole production.
I'm not gonna name drop.
The whole
The whole
production,
production.
casting, sometimes.
Where the fight comes from now?
It's the production.
Ma-
He was part of the
misunderstanding,
production.
yeah.
I think he can explain
no, inkinga
better.
bekumuntu bekade siphethe yabo. Like before siya ngalapha was everything is set to get the right, but masifika ngalapha into eningi bese ngekho, there was no food. I had to come back ngizolanda istove ngadala nemindlini manje istove sami sangale kuyosipanda ngale, there was no stove there yabo. Zolanda ingubo esengubo zikhona because abanye
And there were a lot of people.
traveling, you understand, nje ukudla we need ukusihlanganisa ngalapho, we need to come to shooting, it's like everything was just a mix.
And it was
Kumele
a lot
kuliwe
of
kuze
fun.
kushuthe, kumele kuliwe. Yes.
Yo, organization.
Nakhona ukuthi we had to cut i-shoot before siyiqeda because it's been 2 weeks.
And yeah, it was too much. There was no food. Like there was not proper.
Ended up
Even if it was a
creating-
low
ended up
budget.
creating sponsorship forms beyongena door to door abantu becela
Oh
ama-donations,
yes, the donations
donations
funds.
to buy food for the cast.
Yeah, we've been through a lot.
Yabo, uthi
It was a lot, ne?
Going around to tell my donations. You know,
So
people
now-
from Ekasi, they were like, donating for what?
For
And we
what?
don't even know you.
Know
Do
you.
you stay here? You know, but some did help. It was worth it.
So what happened to the project? Where is it?
khona kunini khona yes because washo ukuthi submitted, but mina ngamtshela ukuthi no, mina I'm pulling out. Mina my problem is amangibona ukuthi into engisebenzeli ngiyaphuma kuyo. So even egroupini ke kwaliwa ukuthi my brother mina ngiyaphuma, but nomtshela si right.
So, updates to the layer project. Is it gonna continue or
I
fade?
don't know anything because I disconnected everything to each project.
Oh, hi, it's a lot that is.
But you know, I'm just telling you all
Yeah,
what.
that's for real.
My friend, that is not fair. That guy.
It's always over strong. Would you so shabab?
Oscar Pistorius.
Okay, so like things like that. Do you think is into like ezenza ukuthi now you end up sebaya ku rejecta in the game ama-fight afana nalawo?
I don't know, as we production, because they were the ones who were fighting, but I do believe, because Baba sent a lot of references, your behavior is very important in acting and everything. So, such things, but it's a messed up industry. Maybe if you are also bad, you're going to join the bads in the front.
When I personally khona la rejecta khona ukuthi I feel like maybe nam khona engenza khona wrong maybe.
Ake ngisokunye laphana wena Phantom mngani wami, okunye it was ukuhleba.
Clever.
You understand? Ukuhleba whereby masiyosipana, it's your project, you called us.
Yeah.
It's your project when you are alone. But the moment usibiza usingoba, it's now our project.
It's now our project.
So ukuthi uze kimi eceleni uthi first wazi ukuthi ngifuna i-extras kanje and I make it happen.
I make it happen, yeah.
Extras yabo. Mayifika i-extras uyidonsele eceleni like no imina ophethe lana kanti because usobona ukuthi intombazane enhle. Kanje manje so ufika ngalena wona
Oh now so mixed up now.
So wena so ubhikama ufuna akubone njengalowo muntu kanti amantombazana asenendaba nokuthi yazi ukuthi mfethu intombazane manje ufike wena uyi-CEO wena.
Yeah.
Ingakuqomi yoqoma lo muntu lo oshanyelayo la.
Yeah.
Wena utshela ukuthi no I'm the CEO.
Because I'm a tested different.
Yabo. So that was the thing engayibona lapha. Remember there's a boy owahamba because efuna i-cherry. Then mina bengiblock everywhere. Yabo. Mina ngiyablock basosebenza. Like I make sure ukuthi I block uzu. Vele ungayisuki leyo into leyo uyifunayo wena. Because I see that I just to fit our totolozis, yabo. We're there to work. Yeah, some niggas they see it as an opportunity to fit their totolozi, bro. No, it's not like that because kunomunye umntwana oza laphana with that passion ukuthi mfethu you know yabona ngiyayisanda lento mayifika thole ladies now uba messed up. Yabo. No.
And there was an incident like that in the production. It was bad, but it was good.
It was good.
Yeah, but I think it gave us, like, as women in the industry, it gave us like a glimpse of what to expect.
Outside.
Yeah, because there's a lot, we are in a male-dominated industry. So every time...
it taught you, it opened your eyes.
Yeah, you have a decision to make. Do you want to go that way? It's your choice. But it's difficult being exposed to such. I don't think everyone should go to... Because everyone, man, ufuna impilo e better, Everyone is looking for a better life. But then, we women, must figure lapha production sometimes. Bazokbona is that girl. Oh, you are that girl. So now they want you to fuck your way up, which is a wrong way. And I don't think people will believe you because you worked hard. Because they'll say, oh, when you look beautiful, probably back niggas a hero just because you are that girl, And it's not a good thing.
Maningi amantombazana abhezisekayo when it comes to that. Some they think ukuthi their beauty is gonna make their way up. But abanye kuyabasebenzela, abanye kubasebenzela, you understand? So ngeke sezinjudge bese sisendicide pastor. You want to preach? Yeah, pastor, you want to preach in front of a lot of
carry on the message.
So like that's what I remember back then when I used to do a lot of motivation with my patient was thing like batshela mina mantombazane ukuthi mntanami ikheke lakho is not your way up ukuthi uzofika lana uthola ukuthi kunama director kunama agents onazo okay ukuze ngibe brand ambassador mina ngilale nayo obviously uzokushaya indlela oshaya umuntu yabo kanjalo so you just need to be focused ufunde ukuthi uyisebenzele wena work hard to get into the way dinga yabo.
But can I ask a question? Do you guys feel like there is a gatekeeper in the industry? Is there a gatekeeper? Because there are so many people, there are so many actors who are working hard. Actors, they are not there yet.
Yeah, for me, I think
you can see them once, and then they are off the screen.
Because now it's gonna be like who you know. We're looking at the faces, things like that. Yeah, you can't just go. Some people they get kept because of like, we don't think that we have what it takes, or maybe you might say you have what it takes, but us we don't see it. You have to show us what it takes. See, now people end up thinking maybe it's gatekeeping, but it's not. Because in fact, like it's crowd, like you traffic,
yeah.
So now, you go all the way running, man. So mageza when
so the traffic because the traffic it's the way it's so funny. Someone who's at the back driving a big truck. Just set the front now, Mvana.
And you imagine what abanye bazofila kanjani man. How
yeah,
What's it?
So
How do you
So
Good
hard work pays
behave.
off. That's what we're saying.
hard work pays off, yeah. And
For
respect
everyone.
and respect as well, discipline
But being an
or
actress is hard,
connection
in
or
fact.
connection as well. I have to know your face now.
So does that
in-
mean
in
I
some
need to
places.
be an industry plant? If I want to go there, if I want to reach the top, what should I do?
There are no shortcuts.
No shortcuts.
Who's your father?
I don't have a father.
Because it's a lot, like it takes a lot.
Yeah.
A lot is needed in the game, like to be successful.
But when izinto on your own, how do you feel ngale nto le ukuthi amantombazana le mangabe befuna something, they are always asked for something in return in order ukuthi bayithole leyo nto. Makufuna i-acting role kumele ulale ne-director, kumele ulale ne-producer, ufuna ukuba kwi-podcast kumele ulale ne-podcaster, ufuna ukushuta kumele ulale ne-photographer. Like how do you ithini kuwena le nto leyo? How
What's
do you
my
take it?
take?
Yeah.
Well, first of all, I can never judge anyone. I feel like every decision you make, it was a choice. You make a choice, because life, I fair to all of us, but it's annoying. It's pretty much annoying to be a woman. Every time I find something, they
Now
think
it's-
about, already you are a girl. You need to give me
Especially when you
kids.
look this good.
Yeah, that's why people, when they say, "Oh, you have a great body," if I had your body, I would never sit down. Take it for a day, and come back to me and tell me.
Exhausted.
Yeah, understand? Because men objectify you. I'm sorry, but your gender, it's messed up. It's fucked up. Every time when they see you, they don't see you. They see your body. They look. Angazi ngathi bayakhumula ukuthi wena ukuze uthole lento, you deserve this, you deserve that, you deserve to go through. Why nami ngingabi normal like everyone else?
Mina ngiba nale challenge amantombazana aphesekasola mina most of the time ukuthi first why like amajita eclubini afike so uthi ngipha hostile then a guy eclubini question say mfuna ukuhamba nawe, how much do you need? Then now it looks like I'm the one who went to the guy and say that one she's selling up like no, you can understand ukuthi i-mentality yomjita icabanga kanjani seclubini lana nomuntu uyidakela ukufuna lento ayifunayo. Obviously he's been trying his luck in different girls. So like ukuthi mina ngithe uyadayisa or kanjani. But nebengisola ngazi ukuthi wena if ever also came across le nto lokuthi umjita afika azokubuze eclubini, or do you understand ukuthi ikhona vele into kanjalo? Because you need to explain to your sisters then, but
It is. It's a real thing. It's happening. That's why I don't like doing clubs. It's hard to find me at club. I hardly go because I don't know ukuthi kwenzakaleni kwimpilo esiphila kuyo, kumhlaba esiphila kuwo, but everyone is just feeling like mawuyintombazane. When you love yourself, you are a slay queen. And I hate being called a slay queen, but it's cool. Bazokubiza ama slay queen, bazothi you sell your body every time. I'm so used
Now
to
you
that.
the target.
Yeah, now bazokubuza ukuthi, oh, how much? And they come with disrespect. Men have no respect over women in South Africa. That's one thing I can say. They don't have irrespect. And every time when you're a girl, ozithandayo. And we're not doing it for men. They need to know that we're not doing it for men. We do it for ourselves. Not ukuthi mangimuhle ngenzele wena ukuthi ungibuke ungishele. We hate ukushelwa, by the way.
why?
Because you guys are annoying.
Annoying. Because you need to see your
I
life.
thought maybe you guys like it. Or it
No,
depends.
there's a difference. Ukuncoma, nokushela, nokuzongidelela.
But you need to see your life.
Yeah? You need it.
You need to see your life.
I need what?
Ash.
Yeah, I know.
Are you in a
Imnandi
relationship?
impilo. What? Am I in a relationship?
Ithini le ngoma le ikhuluma ngasemathuneni le? Ithini?
Emathuneni sobonana.
Emathuneni.
Am I in a relationship?
I think that question needs that song.
Yeah, editors, please add
Now,
that song.
what
Or the
is it?
cricket sound.
Now you wanna think ukuthi ngimshasha kanjani?
No, ngengushasha. I'm just thinking if I'm in a relationship.
Okay.
Or you
so
wanna
now-
make
now-
you wanna make a move.
No, I mean, should I think ukuthi you planning to rob me, or should I think ukuthi maybe
Can I rob
you are
you?
being honest? I mean, your answer.
Oh, I'm gonna be honest.
You're gonna be
I'll
honest.
try and be honest.
You try and be honest.
Am I in a relationship? That's not a question to ask a
That's not
girl.
a question.
But I know someone who knows me. We know each other.
We know each other.
Yeah.
Oh.
How do they know each other?
How do
You know each other emotionally,
Spiritually.
physically, all those mixed.
Yeah, it's all mixed. Eh?
But I love the way you answered.
Of course.
Amen.
Oh, you wanted to make your move hard luck, man.
No,
But you
not
can
about
still try
that.
your luck,
I
you know. I
can
think
try
it's
my
open
luck.
for reservation. Yeah, I can
Definitely,
still try your luck, you know.
Go show
But
back.
she likes traveling a lot.
I will keep on
So
trying. I
if
will
you
keep
can
on
afford
hustling.
traveling, she likes traveling a lot.
Like
Yeah.
traveling.
Am I lying?
No.
So, but
What?
she makes her own mind to travel.
Where
But
do
if you are
get
there, you have to
this-
provide.
This intelligence.
What?
I mean, you're so smart.
Really? Thank you.
How do you know she's so smart?
No, I mean, like, you can tell if a girl is smart.
So that guy was not smart.
No, he's smart. You know, I'm an artist
But
that's
how,
smart.
what did you tell him?
It's creative.
No, so when I'm feeling guilty.
No,
Yo.
kulungile mnganami, hayi angisho ukuthi ngithi ukuthini yabona. So Zinhle,
Yes.
let's say ay singabuza lo mbuzo lo.
Uthini lo mbuzo? Manje sizongenza ebe
No,
ne-anxiety
okay.
ngifuna ukwazi. But I
Alright.
hope akusombuzo bad.
Kwi-modeling industry ukuthi ngiyabona i-modeling industry akumathi awukayithathi serious yabo.
Oh yeah.
So right, let's say if you're given an opportunity ukuthi usibhane, like who's your inspiration kahle kahle umuntu oku-inspire ishile kwi-modeling industry ungafuna ukuthi
Which
usibhane
level
naye
you
futhi.
wanna be now?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't do my role models because I feel like everyone go through izinto zakhe. So mina ngizokubuka wena as my role model ngithi wena you are perfect. This is what the media shows me. Only for me to grow up ngibone ama scandals wakho and everything yabo. So now I'm broken by who? By somebody who doesn't even know me. But there are people I love, you know, I admire and all that. But I think I'm gonna be my role model.
Your role model.
You gonna be or you already?
I am. Sorry about that.
So you
I
inspire
am.
Okay, so who
Yes.
inspires you? Yourself.
Yes, me. Me
Where
and
do
my
you, where
God.
do you where do you get the techniques?
I come from. If you let me take it back, I come from a family of female household, right? I'm raised by my grandma, my aunts, and everyone. So my life was messed up, Jay. Like I lost my parents when I was young, you know. So Jay, it was a weird place
Oh,
to
yeah, to
be
be.
because I'm very young. I didn't understand that, so I couldn't find somebody who I'll say, "Oh, I'm so close to you. You're gonna inspire me and everything." But I will say somebody I love in the industry. It has to be Pearl Modiadia.
But
Pearl.
for wena ukuthi ungalitholi lolo thando lokuthi
No, I did get love at home.
kanti uthini wena kanti awuqale phansi ngoba into yokwenza ukuthi
No, like I don't think we're supposed to bury our parents at a young age. It's so difficult to explain to umntwana ukuthi, you know, but that's another thing I don't want to talk about, but anyway, it's fine. Yeah, well, like, it's so difficult. So, mina ngizofila unloved sometimes because you are not my mother, you know. I don't know mother's love.
Because they can't babysit you.
awuphumelanga ngemnyango wayolufuna lolo thando.
Because I had my grandmother. She
Yeah,
has
but
had
grandmas are the
lows.
best.
Yeah, she has
Like,
like, naibeka qala ukukhulisa
but
mina
I'm
as
scared.
umzukulu. Why?
our generations, do you think we're going to be a good grandmother?
Yes.
Do
I'm gonna
you
be
think
the
this nigga- Do you
best.
think this nigga's going to be a good grandfather?
What do you think of me?
I think you're very chilled. You're a cool guy.
I can be a good grandfather. What?
Yeah.
Why?
Really,
Yes,
what do you
I
think
know.
of me as a grandfather?
A
As
grandfather.
a grandfather, uzobe ukhuluma kakhulu nkathi. Ngiyadlala.
Mina as a grandfather, mina ngithola nabazukulu bami.
Mina I'm scared of having kids. So much into my
But
grandmother and
baphuzisa
my
mina.
grandfather, it's something
Ngingadlala.
different.
You know, good. Mina, there's one thing about me. I'm this character around my people in certain stuff, but when it comes to Obandana Bam, like in the streets, even my sisters, they know I remember last week bengiphume nosisi wami omncane. Like angisande lento ukuthi uthi umjida wami uzoshare usisi wami yabo. So like ngamtshela umjida kusemafethu usisi wami no she's off limits yabo. Then wabemjida ngathi siyaqhubeka ngathi kuse usisi wami ngicela uphume kuyena.
Awubashela bosisi baba.
No, ngibashela. Mina usisi omngane nami ngomhlonipha. Like usisi omngane nami she's my sister, understand? Especially mehamba nobhuti wakhe kumele nginike
Respect should be there.
respect. So umjida ngambona uyaqhubeka prom like ngacishe ngamenza something. Like ngomtshela ukuthi yabona ukuthi namanje. Like angiyifuni yonto le. Like that respect mfana like mina ngi-strict blind. Mntanami osisi bami even nami nakwimedi yami ngi-strict like umngane wami akusimngane wakho awukwazi ukuthi uthathe iclass lami ngane amaphuza kuluphuze wena uyimedi yami understand kumele ube neclass lakho wena awukwazi makusuphuza iblack awukwazi uthatha leyo black uyiphuze nomngane wakho. My friend is my friend is not your friend. Your friend.
So would you introduce me to your friends?
Yeah,
if we're
introduce you.
dating?
Yeah, introduce you, but they also know much it up. Yabo. Now is ichira mfuthu uya kumele nama boundaries because awungitshele mase wenza umngane wakho the next thing begcina senikhuluma ngento zasemakamera yila uqala khona ukudlela namathekeli ukudlela namachita namacheli because wena umngane wakho umvumela ukuthi abe umngane weboyfriend yakho. Like they became more connected but they were more connected than we.
So if I introduce you to my friends, will you talk about this zasemakamera?
I wouldn't even have a conversation with them unless if mhlawumbe ukuthi athi first uzi uthi ngicela ungenzele kanje okay I left or share something mina ukuthi kumele ayithathe. That's the conversation yaleyo nto then is done. You understand? After lapho what is there to talk about?
Nothing.
You understand?
But that's true.
But then is it a crime or let's say I mean me and you singabangani then you introduce me to your friend and then I sort of maybe
no,
like
that's
the
not
friend.
a problem.
That's not a problem.
That's not a problem.
My friend, go back and close
but
that
it's
door.
a problem futhi manje masesi eskimi we are dating friends.
But
my friend is dating your friend, I'm dating your friend.
Now
like,
it's mixed up.
It's gonna be a problem.
But leka fantom angithi uthi nabangani wena naye. Bese ufuna introduce nomngane.
It's thinking.
Yeah, that's thinking. But inkinga izoba la lona will feel with umjida wayangishelanga mina.
No, why would I feel that?
Yeah,
sometimes maybe
you should be jealous
you
of
don't know
your friend Pelala.
Yeah, no
but
case to feel
that's
that.
the problem with it. I don't know how you feel. Maybe I don't feel like you're feeling me in that way.
I can't feel you if I'm dating him. So you should go for my friend.
Your friend.
Hey, but I don't know, because zinto ziyemani kwenzeka.
Awutsami yabona mina ngiyahosta ne. Aboke.
You see a lot of things.
So lokuthi ngiyalokho ngihoste Uzi, I know Uzi.
Yeah.
Uzi is gonna pull up nabangani bakhe about 5. Yabangani bakhe about 5 ngifike ngithando yedwa. Right. Nginake yena kakhulu. Gibe naye siklik sibe right. Uzi ndaqala kungayi attitude. Yabo I came across that kakhulu.
Utheni kimi why ngizomgaya attitude?
No, because mengikhuluma
Just
nawe.
because I know you.
Yeah, sihlezi sikhuluma sigrand. Like
Maybe
akaze ngikushele, akaze ngingakushele. Just sihlezi sigrand yabona saxoxa like uma ungifonela ngiyaphendula ifoni isixoxe ungitshela mhlawumbe ngenkinga zakho ngixoxele but akaze sishelane. Sisabangani mawuphula lapha then mhlawumbe lo mjida ufila nje mina nje ngihlezi ngihlangabeza I don't know what is competition between them. Abotsheri
Khona nje suka ngasayithandi maybe yaje.
Maybe she had hope of getting you. Yabo.
Maybe you are too quick to jump to the
to her friend.
Yeah.
Ladies, if you want me, tell me. Don't prophesy.
Tell you.
Yeah, bese mawungifuna ngitshele.
Tshela.
Yeah, yini enzima sekungitshela ukuthi angithandi.
Inzima.
Ngitshele mfethu. Yini enzima?
Because manje kusho ukuthi mina ngikwi masculine energy right now wena ngichase wena manje and I'm a girl I can't chase. Now you should take signs. as a man, you
You
should
take
take
science.
science.
That was
eh.
my
Most
questions.
people, girls, they work with science.
Ask me questions like, I'm telling them, so if, let's say, when's example like, guys, you want your phones, there's a colored.
But hey, if you want something, you want something. Hey,
If you
go
want
for
it,
it,
just
ladies.
go for it.
Like,
Go
there's,
for it.
Wena ungadate umuntu
Go for it,
owenza
yeah.
same thing that you are doing.
Yo, that's a good question. Would I? Yo, bahle okay. First of all, bahle abafana. Yeah, but we industry and everything. But I don't think I would.
I don't think you.
I don't think I would. I
who's
like
your
me.
industry crush?
Who's my industry crush? Do I have an industry crush?
Remember you told me?
Just tell us.
On
Wait,
set. You told me on set.
wait, did I say that?
Yeah,
Wait,
Sigume
who is-
Brothers
right
Kid.
now, si
Sigume
keep up
Brothers
nama man's manch.
Was it, you said it was it? Two more. It was Sigume Brothers
Oh,
Kid,
those
yeah.
guys smelled very good, eh?
No cologne.
Yeah, that's one thing you guys need to know. As men, Mele, your cologne need to speak to me before you even say hi.
They say the longer the hug, the nicer the smell. I was in bed uhug intombazane more than 3-5 seconds. Ubunuke sunlight.
Yes, many more.
Yeah,
remember
serious,
move
bruh, like,
back.
no, serious.
Like,
Now we
You have to
baby
taste good.
yeah, now we baby getting uyakwazi ukungihaga more than 5 seconds ne-omo.
Oh,
Unuki omo nomuntu ubhize lana unami la ngapha ekhanda futhi akunuki neshampoo inwele. Look at it's sunlight liquid.
wow.
No, it cannot.
Yeah, speaking for all ladies, your cologne should talk to me.
Should talk as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah, I think my celebrity crush, to answer your question, is still him. Because I just remember it.
I just remember.
Oh.
Oh God. Yeah, but it's your crush ngane yabo.
It's not that deep. It's just because
just
when
a
I
crush.
scroll on TikTok and I'm like, oh,
Oh, this guy.
oh, yeah, that's all.
So Zindle before ngoba sesizoqeda ngempela sihamba nentombazane enhle uZindle. Ngifuna siphume nje la singene kwipolitiki. Kancane.
Siyaphi manje
Kade
politics?
kuvala imigwaqo lana ngalento le kaMalema le.
Oh,
Are you
Uyibonile?
a politic
Yeah.
person?
no.
Uyibonile wena, what is your take?
What is my take? Hey guys, yabona ke manje. Okay. But I think we should be happy ukuthi uMalema kaboshwanga. Should we be happy or should we not? Okay, but I've met some people abangama fans wakaMalema, ne? They support him. uMalema has supporters who were ready to go on war if
For him,
bekaboshiwe.
if bekaboshiwe.
Yeah, I had a conversation with one guy. He told me like,
Kanti bengaboshwanga, ubeboshiwe.
besajele like inside.
Yeah, because I'm
Serious? I don't know. But nje kuyilona, according to me,
He's a good
according
leader,
to me,
continue.
no, according to me, I'll say he's impulsive. He's not. He can't.
uMalema
He
can't run the
Yeah,
country.
I feel like he
Mina,
can't.
genuinely, I love and respect Mr. Julius Malema, but I think he cannot run a country because when he thinks he hacks. You understand ngaleso sikhathi, so he is fine elapho awukangena uhlale ngapho bro. He is fine elapho ebenza kanjena so that they can be always aware ukuthi akudlalwa lana yabo. But when he is up there, I think uzofana nomuntu ongenelwe imali za RAF.
Serious.
Blue card.
I don't know. I feel like he's not emotionally intelligent and ready to run. Like, I feel like if focus yake is more on Africans only. We have bigger problems in South Africa. Okay, now there are foreigners here in Africa, illegal and everything. But I feel like I don't support him on that part. There are some aspects where I do support him. You know,
No,
I feel like he's good. But on
he is
that
very
part,
much confused.
He's very much.
He's much confused.
He's
2
not
minutes. 2
confused.
minutes. He wants foreigners. 2 minutes. He don't
You don't
want them.
want them.
Mina,
So
speaking
where is
on
this
behalf of South Africans, I don't know about you, but speaking on behalf of South Africans, I don't hate foreigners. I don't have a problem with foreigners. I have a problem with illegal foreigners. And I don't think he's aware of that. People are not hating on Africans and everyone. They're just hating on illegal. Yeah, because there are a lot of things, as in like Josie, and some of those people
Crimes.
killing and everything. And you can't
Now you
trace
know where you're
those
gonna
people.
find these
You know,
people.
crime.
Yeah.
Crime. I think a crime, even if you are documented, crimes just became like a cup of tea.
No, but
True.
when you document it, we know where to find you.
Where, my brother?
When you
We
are
know
doing
you.
How many killers are hiding here?
But the
Thousands.
identity code, yes.
They are documented, bro. How many?
change of
No,
identity.
but it's better.
There's a change of
It's
identity.
better.
Too
But-
much.
Compared to somebody who's undocumented, it's better.
Because you can go anywhere.
No. I'll pay the camera because this was any.
It's better.
It's better.
No.
Bye.
Because sikhulumile ngepolitiki gcine sewuphumile kulo sileke kuba kumalema sinamasonto amaningi-ke manje
Okay, guys, I'm
Are
not
you-
baptized.
are you a church
First of
person?
all.
You're baptized.
I'm not.
Yeah, not.
I'm looking for a church.
Looking for a church.
So masikhuluma ngamasonto amaningi namasonto amaningi there's a lot ezinto ezenzakalayo emasontweni ucabanga ngani ezenzeka emasontweni
Nami ngithi it's a lot, eh?
Things like
Me-
what isn't like
So do you believe in the Bible?
Eish. Okay, I do believe some parts of the Bible.
goes according to your belief, no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. For
So
me,
mina ngikule esonto guys, esonto engiye kulo it's CCZ, not ZCC, it's CCZ, yeah. Christian Church of Zion. Ubhuti kabani bani wasuka wayovula leliya church leliya bakwenzakalani
From the ZCC.
yeah.
Then
It's
he made the
branched from
opposite.
yeah ngikhulele
So
la.
kunestar nakhona
No, kune it's a bird. Yeah, it's a bird. Ijuba.
because he was flying. He left there flying, so
I don't know who was wrong.
flying.
I don't know who was wrong. So
Why
mina lapho isonto la gogwami then.
yeah.
Lapho esontweni mina ngikaze kwavula iBhayibheli. Bayasho nabo maqala intshumayelo ukuthi iBhayibheli abalivuli ngoba bafuna umuntu nomuntu abe ne-experience yakhe since afike esontweni not ukhuluma ngezinto za before
Manje bayenza neBhayibheli.
Zange salivula iBhayibheli siyasonta though it's a nice church.
So
mina into engishoyo ukuthi iBhayibheli
What do you preach when you preach? Just
your
talk.
journey ever since you came to
Abo
the
Moses and
church.
Kolumina ngaba.
You can quote them, you can quote them and everything, but ukhuluma ngejourney yakho ukuthi has it changed your life ever since you came to church? Do you feel protected? Do you feel like you are closer to God? Like any changes in your life, yabo?
Any changes in your life?
So
Yeah.
when as a lady askisi ngicela ukubuza lo mbuzo as a lady. Uba uNkulunkulu, uba uJesu, uba uJoseph.
Oh Joseph angazi, but I'll say uNkulunkulu yimi. That's
How?
Yeah, they're
nawe all of you
We are
uNkulunkulu
God.
wakho.
What do we create? Which
You
God?
create
Do
humans,
you have power to make things happen?
unabantwana,
It's
you
easy
are
to
God.
create a kid even for
It's
even you just enter it.
I'm
Choose a
cutting.
gun. Out. Cut.
Nope.
Done.
But I believe ukuthi you know that inner voice behind you, that inner voice within you. You know ukuthi sometimes uba ne-conscious yokuthi I shouldn't do this. Kunalelo lizwi elikutshelayo ukuthi ungayenzi lento leyo. Bese kuba naleli linye lizothi yenze lento lena. How you right? Yabo. So
ifana nalelani vele ngiyazotshwalela ifana masusha amabhiya u3 nyana uphethe iclip and is the last man onayo for the whole week. And it's hello but I see that it no I'm saying be 30 rand athi ngithenga imoto ngisala nabanini ba-70 rand hayi ngizokwazi ukuthenga ama-brape kanye uthi mawuphela uthi hayi kodwa hayi wangishayela ngisala na 40 rand ngizoba right ugcina usale na-10 rand mfana kutshela 10 rand mawuphuma ugawulekile mawuthi ubona ivoice uthi hayi akayithenga mfana ekuseni lele bebhedeni ubheke phezulu kanje mfana yachama
Yabo.
mali yami le yami
So that's why it's uNkulunkulu uwe. Kunaleyo voice leyo. Half of you, I think it's like a yin
Do good
yang.
for yourself.
Yeah, kune
Uba
good,
ushembe.
bad, I don't know.
ekholelwa kushembe
Angisondi kaShembe.
Kodwa khona
I
ukuthi uShembe
respect
uyaphila.
people's, if they do believe Shembe yaphila kusho Shembe yaphila. I don't know like the whole story, but I respect people's cultures
kakhulu
and religions. Yeah.
yeah
Mina
as much
ngaku-
as I respect ama-cultures abantu but sometimes ngiyawa-question there
Yeah,
are some
you
some
have
things
to.
who don't make sense, you understand.
But those
Kanti
things are forever things. you're
Lithi
gonna
indlela
question,
lithi
yeah.
indlela vese lithi men should find, I think, food in their breast. I think
Find
they
their
should
breast, what's
feed it there with their breast. Yeah, lithi indlela verse man God.
They should feed their red with milk like a mom feeds an infant.
Ah, nyakadama kanjalo
Yilo,
lento nje
yilo.
stress lento khuluma ngamabele lento le stress ikhuluma ngamabele lento ukuthi njani kumele sithole nje intokozo
Like
emabeleni
umama breastfeed.
nasebhayibhelini.
Ayisho
So
wena.
abantu besifazane mangabe amadoda encela amabele lento leyisemabhayibhelini ukuthi we should find pleasure in breast yabo. So yes,
I don't think they meant that.
yeah.
I don't think they meant
Oh,
that.
because how can you not mean it in the Bible?
In the Bible.
What's any? You should find your what?
Pleasure.
Pleasure.
In what? In life? Nope. Yo, I think they were talking about life or something.
No, breast.
Who enjoy funama breast?
Ah,
You like breast?
No, I'm good. No, don't. Oh no.
Young Rob.
You guys. Mkathini nama breast.
Mina first, now liqiniso woza nkapi yami.
Asibuyele
Mina,
kwi-Creative
let's be honest.
Chronicles.
Let's be honest.
That's another
Mina,
creative chronicle
Mina.
from Jesus. Thank you.
Mina ngiyayithandela ibele mina. Cha nje ngiyayifela nje ngebele mina ngimine nkapi yami ukuthi ngibambe ibele ngiqamele ngempela ngiqamele ibele ngiyayifela nje ngebele ngiyathanda.
Remind me of ubani nje lo my brothers people wathi how yonke into uyenza ngebele. I mean ngobele.
Hawu. Ngizathi uzakala yazi ngithi sibamba sonke. So
Ngobele.
Zinhle. Usebenzile nami. Experience yakho benjani? Bathi ngiyabheka.
Bathi uyabheka.
Ngibona uthi
Okay, I think you are. I'll give you 8 out of 10 from the last time I saw you. Yeah, you are very protective of our actors and actresses, of the cast. You care about them. That's a win for you. Win Mkhathini, win. You need to control your temper.
Temper.
Yes, you need to control your temper. Because he was part of that production.
my temper or
The production that was fighting.
Yeah, maybe you should not react same time because I feel like you
and
are
then
very
react
smart.
ngeqiniso. That's my problem. Yazi ukuthi i-HIV yami
Or maybe
ngireacta
it's your way
ngeqiniso.
of delivery.
Ngiyahluleka to sugarcoat iqiniso like ngifuna ukutshela
Just say it
ngitshele-
as it is. Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause
Some
I
of the
think-
things you have to.
I remember
respect them.
bengitshela
You can't just-
i-producer. Bengitshela i-producer straight up ukuthi
He was
No.
challenging him
no
every
bro
day.
nokuthi besenza i-meeting siba u-2 eceleni.
Yeah.
Yabo, do you know ukuthi how much eyaspenda mina no Leslie and uLeslie futhi ezinye imali angokombhadali zona that is
Serious?
nini uLeslie for that
Yeah.
production engangilesela
That was fucked up, eh?
Yabo.
For real, I remember when I came there, like the first night I came there, he told me I had e-cash. I remember I had e-cash, and he was like, "Don't give the money because bas promise izinto nan only for the owner ye production tomorrow morning angibize athi come, oh we are in short of breakfast, we need this money and that money." And mina out of pity I gave him.
Oh, yangidlanyisa la. Ngimtshele kahle bro wami
Don't
ezefika.
do it.
You know, understand
but
ukuthi
I did
efika
it
ne.
because
I told you ukuthi no, don't do this and this and that. No, at the end of the day ne, lezi zinto lezo ziyo affects mina. Because let's say uZindla, honestly speaking, uzothi umkhathini wangithatha wangisendane kanje mangifika ngalena they demanded me this and that. Now because yena bekazi me be responsibility yami ukuthi yonke into yakhe i-protected le ngimthembise yona uyayithola. So now manje yena seyayenza iceleni into wangifihlela mayenza but ngayithola because I had many eyes and many ears. I had more actors than actresses there.
Oh, yeah.
Mamncane noma mkhulu. Do you understand ukuthi that mamncane mamkhulu relationship continued but we're not dating?
Yeah, that's a nice one. There was a healthy friendship or relationship or whatever.
Yeah, we still visit each other, we still call each other, we still go out together, like we still call each other mamncane mamkhulu. That's a good thing. Qadela. Give up protect nabo ukuthi abafana banga
abafana.
So bafethu seseyiqeda Zinhle, thank you so much for blessing us with your beautiful face and beautiful body.
Most definitely.
Amazing voice, not forgetting about so sesivala now I need someone to
Is this not painful?
No, actually, it's not.
mina ngathi niyafunana
No, I'm just asking.
anifunani
Okay, mina. Okay.
No, you can't just.
Whoa!
Okay, why is
Wait, yes or
No, Mkhathini, don't make this weird. Don't make. He's a nice gent. He's a nice.
Wait, yes or no amfuni
Okay, no.
awumfuni no
No.
Why?
No, man.
Why?
I just met you.
Guys,
So
he's a
so
widow.
I just met you.
I just.
Yes,
met
my
you.
number. Call me, baby. I just met you.
Zinhle, so what can you expect from you?
You can expect the wonderful things from me. Be prepared to see me on your screens.
On
And
the
you
as
still
well.
own me a project. You know, with me and you have a
And follow
project
me
that
on
we
social
created.
media.
With a project that was created, then you never showed up for a shoot.
Which one?
This kid, are you on drugs?
Are you fucking on drugs?
But it's not the project is like great.
Oh, I remember the skids.
Yeah,
Is it the
the
skids?
skids,
Okay,
but
Mina, now
then-
we didn't have a mutual understanding on that.
No, it's not
We
a thing of
didn't.
mutual understanding. You never showed up. You kept on having those stories. But
Because we never had a mutual understanding.
Yeah,
That's why I came up with stories. Oh,
Oh,
besingazwani mina nawe. Angazimuka nomoya ngiyacabanga mawukhuluma nami bengena
kukwena ngenza. Oh, you're going through a lot. You
Yes.
must come. Not
Yes, but
because
now
if
I'm
you
fine,
If you
singayenza.
keep going, now you're coming. Because if you keep going, you must never. Sometimes you end up not coming back. No?
But I came
You must
back.
return air.
I am back.
You bitch.
Please a message. Zinhle, when we are closing it, please a message to your ex.
To my ex.
Yes.
I hope
A
you
very
burn
wonderful
in
message to
hell.
ex.
I hope you
Please,
pay-
my brother, we need to capture this. A message to your ex.
Wait, I need to moisture my lips first.
Before
Which
you
means
say
the message is
too much.
You see, sometimes in the way colors eat, ne, they mix bread. They eat bread with rice.
Are you a colored? Are you a colored? You?
Yes, you see, that colored guy here is doing that.
So, a letter to my ex.
No, a message.
Oh, a message
It's
to
gonna
my
take.
ex.
It's gonna
Who's
take
my
more hours.
ex?
A message.
Oh, but
Can I remind
anyway.
the one I know?
Nope.
Can I say you send a message to him?
Nope.
That one. Send a message to that one.
He's my ex, not our ex. Let me send a message to him.
No, I'm saying send to that one.
Okay, I hope you burn in hell.
And
I'll see you there.
Oh, you're also going to hell. So also going to hell.
What am I gonna say? Because izono zami ziningi,
But
guys.
waboneni ukuthi amchita benefits.
Oh, uthando.
Imali nomchita lo yabe.
Ukamthanda umuntu. Everyone who has loved know ukuthi
Mara leyathi labe bhayiza leya.
askisi ke ngani disappointer, guys. But my
Umuhla nje
upcoming
boyfriend.
boyfriend,
Ungathi ungavuka ngofantom.
he's a 10 out of 10.
Uvuka ngofantom.
It's a date not cancelled, Bafazi. Right, man. Right. Let's give him praise. Ungangeni.
Ngiyakhumbula Mr. P. That other guy from Mr. P. Nocisha fana no Mr. P. Remember that other guy? They almost look the same.
I don't know. I see Undertaker.
Ikhetha lejayina. Okay bafethu sesayibhala sekuleso sikhathi. Lana uFansomo Africa shayile khona isingisi sethu. Siku episode 7 namhlanje sinozi the model and actress. She has been an upcoming model for 7 years. Let's not blame her.
a message to your younger self, somebody who's doing exactly what you are doing.
Oh, a message to my younger self.
Yeah.
Be nice to you, baby girl. The world is waiting for you outside. And you're gonna rock it. Because you are the best.
You're the
The
best.
one and the only Sinclair in Wonderland.
Oh wow, that's sweet.
So, your social media in this, please.
Oh, my social
that they
media
can follow.
everywhere. I'm Sinclair in Wonderland. You're gonna see me, the dark skinned chocolate babe, always.
So, are the pictures attractive there?
Very, I'm attractive. You can't ask that.
Check this guy.
I mean, it's true.
Okay, I will appreciate you put up picture for your support. Ifikile endlini ezosupport namhlanje sayibonga. It's good guys ukuthi masishutha abafowethu bavele basupport kanjena. We need it ukuthi sikhule. So Mr. Phantom sesiyayivala le mpahla kwami. Bekwenze kanjalo.
Shout out to everybody who's following his sponsored buffet, to our subscribers, viewers, our comments. We really appreciate you. Shout out to the production as well. Shout out to my best.
To me.
Shout out to the beautiful
Sadidela
guests.
makamezi.
And the Flower Child Entertainment buffet, you should check it out as well. Shout out to the thanks. We out. So therapeutic, our production.
Wena mfethu mangabe sina namantshida la awukazi udideke mfethu ukuyithola into le uyivala grade le asho ukuthi ethu production shooting us iso therapeutic iflow chart kanje but namhlazi netheni lokuthi
Mission accomplished.
shut okay bafethu sibonga support to everyone in Nasiwa Spirits la ne studio sethu khona. So please keep on supporting us, subscribe. Sikhulu yabona sibonga namakhalata afika la support ekhaya uhene miss again sisivalile sinozi manje leyathengwa umjida noma ithengela noma imali omjida ohamba nawo ethenga shop.
Yo, it's my money.
No, never.
Bye, guys.
That's it.
Hey, I'm gonna start 360 first. Oh my God, I wish I was Oscar. Yo.
We are not done.
Yeah, we're not done. Oscar.
Okay, bye.
Woo!
Good, I'm cutting.